This is Obijackson daughter's wedding in France with her husband, Bishop Okonkwo's son. Bishop Okonkwo and Obijackson are among the richest men in the southeastern part of Nigeria, and their children got married to each other. This is where money meets money and wealth meets wealth. Their traditional marriage was a total shutdown which took place in Obijackson, Anambra State, this year 2025, and the traditional wedding was attended by so many dignitaries, kings, billionaires, big men, and many prominent politicians. Today, they had their white wedding in France.
In sickness and in health, to love and cherish, until we are parted by death, according to God's holy law.
This was so beautiful and a great event. The bride and the groom in France. This is Obijackson, standing beside his daughter as the groom unveils a veil of his wife. This is so admirable, beautiful. This was the venue, the wedding event with so much gathering that witnessed the wedding. Kego 2025. These were some of the beautiful shots they took. Love is beautiful. This is very classic and elegant. A good woman is what friendship, or deserves good friendship rather. I think this is the groom parents, but we are coming into the event as things are beginning to happen. This is Bishop Okonkwo and his family at their son's wedding in France. This is Obijackson's family with the daughter, the bride, in France.
Chukwu, Dakotim, Ugochukwu. So too, we are spiritual.
Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful when you have a good partner. Both are so much in love. The man loves his wife, and the wife loves his husband as well. This is beautiful.